Wanna know how we did that? Let's take you through the story of our product. Come along. Inspiration to build this product came from a childhood memory of cleaning dirty solar panels with my dad. As a child, I always wanted to go up with him and help him, but due to space constraints, and no wall railings around, it had space enough for one grown-up to barely stand and do the job, which obviously wasn't that effective, as you couldn't reach all the corners standing at one place. All of this makes cleaning task risky. Based on our research, also, and
the power loss of the solar panel system depends on the cleaning pattern followed.
To overcome all these problems, we give you Solar Companion. Benefits of Solar Companion: no worry for cleaning of panels, high returns on investment, no water wastage, increased life of solar panels, maximum output from solar panels, fits with all kinds of solar panel systems.
Now observe the annual electricity consumption and expenditure after installing the Solar Companion on the system. Now you know, by installing the Solar Companion on your solar panels, you are saving water, electricity, effort, time, money. Were you backing off from installing solar panel system? Well, cleaning is no more a reason.